이제 강가가 슈퍼스타로 뭐 사진나.
Before we start the show, happy cherry blossom.
We are here at the petrol station. I remember you where that station. Good. Let's go and check out the cherry blossom festival. Today I heard there'll be concert, so let's go and see. We are expecting to see some good concert. Let's go and check it out. We are already in the midway. We have started traveling. We'll reach very soon. So let's go and check it out.
Away from Christmas.
We are going. See, me and you lambi da challe gari dongning da bagi. Full yaman da. Let's go. How is my left passenger doing?
Good.
Doing good?
Yeah, right.
Are you excited about the festival?
Very much.
So we'll go and check it out. What about my right seater?
Your right seater is tight fitting. Fully fitted inside. Can't move. Squeezed. Squeezed.
Our body size is not, very not small. We are not medium or so. We are coming the extra large, so this car is a little bit small for us. We have finally reached the spot, so we are going to join the festival. Finally, we'll go and check out the cherries blossoming. Let's go. Uba hore, cherry uba hore. Cherry flower uba hore. Yay. Flag jo habe na moi de.
Cherry amani di chala laye.
Hore ko.
My God, cherry!
See, we have reached. We can see the cherry flowers.
Finally, we have already downloaded ourselves.
Oh my God!
Oh, we started taking photo. Phachare. Nice. See, that one sir được lên luôn. Line này là thằng này thằng mình đến sao được lấy giá. There's one beautiful church here. Oh, grapher si mo yam ra in. Này thì grapher bukat ke. Grapher pali ka pause này. Hiang là ta cá lạc ta lấy. Mà giá lẽ cái palo nè. Khano izi khanga ga superstar bo sa sin na. Chu mi si mu yam na chale. Lim thana da le. Chena ara ji wijil la. Thana da le sir. So we'll walk around and let's check out the beauty of this cherry blossom. And this is located in Mao. If you guys don't know about it, cherry blossom is going on. Wow! Eko party si yung yam na ngayon. Yes, look at the girls, come on. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Abang ji ini si shong fully chặt là cái đó chặt nào là cái check out sát được này này thằng ác cái này hoàn đây bây giờ tôi hình program sinh gác là sinh gác đây lấy được này này sau đó chỉ là là cáiอย่างhao đấy lùng đi cáiอย่างhao đấy mì và cái bánh nem có cà ri là khẩn chi bánh nem có dinner here at Mao.
Early dinner.
Early dinner. They are still serving, so we've got some ironba. What is this? Pango, Shinju, and dal and some. Yeah. Our special dishes yet to arrive. Lani, don't worry. I'll bring everything, whatever you need. See, mauli pam dak ni. Most of the hotels are closed because it is Sunday today. So this is opening. This is midday hotel at Mau, and we used to come and eat here. It's very tasty. Here is a party. Bang 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 bang. Lôi lạ của Yên Sang. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. And that. And this. 자, 쌤 얌가. 자, 쌤. 자. 얌 파제 자부수. Cô chỉ chọc tôi mới đổ ra cháy vậy thôi. Sinjui is also very good, and kango fried aloo. Yum hao eh, iron basu hao eh. I like it. You can come and eat here at Mau. There is one midday hotel, which is known by every tourist. Yeah. We used to come and eat here, and it's very good here, so you can also come and check it out. Finally, we are here. Oh, see, we've got our entry ticket, 30 rupees. See, wow, nice.
Let's go and take a picture there.
Very nice. And here's the stage for tonight's event and concert. Woo! This is quite good. This is our party. After dinner, we came back. Today we came here to cheer the concert. They are here.
These girls. All of them.
Flower show.
You already went outside.
Here in front, and the concert is about to start, so everyone started sitting. So.
VIP line.
Hello. Yeah. This side also.
Hello.
Getting ready for the concert. Let's have fun.
Enjoy. Are you ready for the best night of your life?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Okay, before we start the show, happy cherry blossom, because Mau is beautiful and the people in Mau are beautiful. We are really happy to have you tonight. But we have our artists coming all the way from Nagaland. So, yes, are we excited? Yeah. Okay, if you are from Manipur, let us give a huge round of applause welcoming the Nagaland artists. Come on. Yes. Okay, can I get somebody here? Volunteers? What's your name, bro? Ashuli, you're from which village? Tadubi. Did you pass your class 10? Yeah! So, do you love Nagaland artists? Of course! Who is your favorite? Moko! Yes! Give it up for Ashuli, roll number 1. Thank you. Yes. Okay, so are we ready to invite the first artist of the night?
Yes!
Are we ready? Okay, count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are ready for Moko. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome the one and the only Moko Koza.
a peace that we share. Drop of blood from the heads of the dead. This is my statement, I am everywhere. Boys from the hills coming out like Jumanji. Sound from the trees making waves like tsunami. Race from the seats that was sung by my auntie. Blood from the soil that was gained by the armies. Roots on the past from the arms of the glory. Still being bold, marching on like I'm Gandhi. The beat banging on like a war drug. Social, ready for whatever. I'ma throw it cause I'm on. Something up for hunter, I go hard like a stroke. Heritage of the ghosts and the mountain is where I'm from. What's up, Mo? How you doing?
We just witnessed the amazing performance of Moko Koza, and I guess we'll be going back. It's cold out here. See. So many. Mas nungaya mo image de. Standing outside here in the we are here at the concert scene. Many people are here. Hi. We are listening from outside now. We were there in the front before, but we are here. The stage and the flowers. Oh, guys, we are moving out. Thank you, Mao. We are going. How's your night?
It was very good.
Very good. Okay, we are going back. Maybe we'll visit another time. Again, today's night is awesome. Oh, and it is very cold. Hello guys. Yun chalase hojidi yun chalase inge aduga nungdangi aikoi concert sisu yam nungai na enjoy tawre. Now we are going back, so thank you, and thank you for watching the video as well. Let's go back. Peace out. Hello guys, let's go back. See, so many people and cars blocking our way. Hey, we enjoyed, we have fun. Let's go back now. So see you guys in Maram and the next video. Let's go. We are here and we saw this sign and we just came down to click some photos, but we couldn't click. I love Mao. So Mao people, thank you for the nice program and organizing this amazing Cherry Blossom Festival. Okay, bye. See you.